The saggier the skin, the deeper the wrinkle, the longer it's going to take to see visible results using microcurrent, as well as if you go to a professional. If you see a professional, it can take just a few weeks versus doing it at home. You'll see significant visible results within 60 days or so. The general rule is if you do it consistently 1 to 3 times a week for 5 to 20 minutes per session, you will see results faster. And it is important to take at least 1 day of rest in between the microcurrent treatments. I do have some clients that do it up to 4 days a week, but again, it also depends on what you're trying to address.